This is Alfred's Premier Piano Course, Lesson 2A. Let's turn all the way back to pages 44 and 45. Rainy Day Blues. There's some sight reading at the top. It would be good to do one of those each day. Play through it once, play through it twice, play through it a third time. Aim for a perfect performance by the third time. Notice the dynamic signs. All right, Rainy Day Blues. I will play it and then I'll mention a few practice tips. Oops, there we go. All right, so we notice that the left hand has a repeating pattern of a fifth, a sixth, a fifth, a sixth. Keep your finger 5 anchored on the G and then just gently reach back and forth with your finger 1 to the D and the E. And then make sure you can prepare and move quickly to the next position. And then use this rest again to prepare and move back down. So just doing some hand move preparation for that left hand so you know it really well. Then make sure to do some right hand alone. Play, count carefully. Watch for all these thirds. Watch for a few B flats. Back to natural. And so do some hands separately up to measure 16 here and then put them together. In the next section, we can do hands together. We just watch for how they play back and forth. So watch for that imitation between the right hand and the left hand. Learn those patterns well. And then in the next section, starting at 25, do a little bit of hands separately and then back together. Just notice how the left hand is similar to the beginning, but does a few different things. So just play, count, be prepared for the damper pedal, slow down your counting in the next to last measure. Take your time getting up to that F and then play it very softly so that as all this is held by the damper pedal, we have a good blend of sound. All right, enjoy the soulful sounds of Rainy Day Blues.